IELTS vocabulary. Mastering the word accord. Mastering versatile vocabulary is crucial for achieving a high band score in IELTS. Today, we're focusing on the word accord, a term that can significantly enhance your language skills for the test. Word type. Accord can function as both a noun and a verb, making it a flexible addition to your vocabulary arsenal. Meaning, as a noun, accord means an official agreement or treaty. It can also refer to harmony or a state of agreement. As a verb, to accord means to give or grant something, especially as appropriate, due, or earned. Word history. The word accord comes from Old French, ultimately derived from Latin, meaning to bring to heart. This origin hints at the idea of agreement or harmony at its core. Antonyms. Some antonyms for accord include disagreement, discord, and conflict. Synonyms. Useful synonyms include agreement, harmony, concurrence when used as a noun, and grant, give, or bestow when used as a verb. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use accord in sentences relevant to IELTS topics. As a noun, the Paris Climate Accord is an international agreement aimed at reducing global warming. As a verb, the university accords special privileges to students with outstanding academic records. In a more idiomatic use, the two countries have been working in accord to address cross-border environmental issues. Common errors in use. Be careful not to confuse accord with award. While both can mean to give something, award typically implies a prize or recognition, whereas accord is more about granting rights or status. Also, when using accord as a verb, remember that it's often followed by with, to, or a direct object. For example, his actions do not accord with his stated principles. To wrap up, accord is a valuable word for your IELTS preparation. Its versatility as both a noun and a verb, along with its relevance to formal agreements and harmony, makes it particularly useful in Task 2 essays and Speaking Part 3 discussions on global issues or social harmony. Practice using accord in your own sentences, focusing on both its noun and verb forms to solidify your understanding and boost your IELTS performance.